In conversion case, in KGMU, there's a notice have been served, have been issued by everyone here, and you can see this notice which has been posted on walls, and there's everywhere in KGMU. The reason is that if any kind of conversion going on inside the premises, so they can be reported into VC office, and that's the purpose. This is what this kind of issue has been has been issued for all. Here we have joining by senior professor and Dr. KK Singh. Sir, what is the reason behind this this notice?
See, on 2nd January, we had pasted these notices that any female employee or any employee of the university, worker, student, if they have any information regarding conversion, that it is being promoted, there are some things being offered for that, so they may give their information in a sealed envelope and concealing their identity. That means they don't have to need to write their names. They can keep their identity concealed and secret. But after 2nd, every day in the media there is a new issue which is coming up. So in that light, in our meeting yesterday, it was decided that one more opportunity may be given, because some employees or students or females may be having some information which may be related to the new disclosures which are coming in the media after 2nd of January. So we have posted them again today, giving the time of 3 days. They can give whatever information they have, and their identity will not be asked, not disclosed.
What did you find in your committee which was constituted for conversion, and you have, what did you find over there?
The committee is still going on. We are deliberating on the issues, we are recording statements, and all those persons who had given and the organizations who had given representations, they have been requested to come and give us any lead they have, any information they have, any evidence they have. So another opportunity has been given after 3 days. Some things are coming out of it, but at the moment we don't have any conclusive evidence, and neither the we can divulge the details at this level, because then the sanctity of the investigation will be hampered.
So this kind of notices which have been pasted on wall and everywhere in KGMU, where if conversion case have been reported, so it can be informed by everyone who is knowingly know that. It means that this kind of notices which shows that the KGMU administration are very vigilant regarding this conversion which is happened over here. Even the accused Ramiz Malik, who have been absconded now from KGMU, and police is also seeking him, searching him. But still, the KGMU administration taking action and issued and pasting notices everywhere in the premises. With camera person Sanjay Singh, Ashish Srivastava, India Today, Lucknow.